This video is going to show you how you can add a signature to the bottom of each and every email in Outlook. If you're watching this video as a short, tap on the thumbnail in the bottom right hand corner right now to see the full video. If you're already watching the full video, hold tight, more details coming up shortly. Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Doing these three things help us make more great videos for you. So as I say, this video is going to show you how you can add a signature to each and every email using Outlook. As you can see here, I've put regards Chris Waite and I've put my CW Tech logo underneath. You can do whatever you like. We'll show you how you can do it. So first things first, you need to ensure that Outlook is open on your desktop and then go up to File just in the top left hand corner over there. Click on File, go down to Options just down there, click on that and then go across under Outlook Options just there to Mail. Left click once on Mail. And then you need to click on Signatures, just over there, just on the right, just to the right of Create or Modify Signatures for Messages. Now we need to click on New just there to create a new signature. And we need to give the signature a name. So I'm just going to call my signature CW Tech. So let's just click in the box where it says type a name, get the cursor flashing in there. And just type CW Tech. You can type whatever you like. And then you can click on OK. Then the next thing you want to do is click into the box below and you can just type whatever you like now. So I'm going to type regards and then leave a few spaces, Chris Waite. And then I'm going to go down and I'm going to put my little CW Tech logo in there. So I can do that by clicking on this little icon just here and then find my CW Tech logo. And there you go, it adds it in. You can do all sorts of things here if you want. You can make this bold, you can make it italic, you can underline it if you want. You can change the font style, you can change the font size. It's really up to you. You can also change the color, so you can put it in a different color if you want to. You can also centralize it. You can justify it to the right, to the left. And if you want, you can put a link in it as well. So say if I want to put my website, okay, I'm going to type that in there, which is cwtech.co.uk. And now, let's just make that a small c. And right now we've got the website in there, but at the moment it doesn't automatically make it a link. So it means when somebody tries to click on that, it won't go to the website. So what we need to do is we need to just highlight that. And then there you go. There's link just up there, just in the top right hand corner. So we click on that. And under address, we just type in there https://cwtech.co.uk. And then we click on OK. And there you go, it turns it blue. And that then means that if somebody clicks on that, it'll go to the website. So once we've got our message right, so I'm just going to reset this back to the original font, which I believe was Calibri. So let's just find Calibri there. There it is, just there. And I'm going to set it back to 11, so it's in line with the main bulk of the email. And I'm going to change the color back to black just there. And then I'm going to, let's just change the font on the CW Tech as well. There we go, Calibri. And I'm going to change the font size. Perhaps I'm going to make that slightly larger. So the next thing is we've got to decide if we want this signature to go on new messages. Well, I think you probably would do. So click on the drop down, click on the name of your signature, and also whether you want the signature to go on replies and forwards. Now, so in some cases you might think to yourself, no, I don't actually want that signature to go on every email. Once they've got my signature the first time, then I'm happy with that. But if you want it to go on replies and forwards as well, select your signature name just there and then click OK. Then click OK again. And let's do a new email just to test it out. There we go, new email. And there you go, my signature has been added to the bottom of the email. And if I click on cwtech.co.uk, it says hold down the CTRL key. Let's just see if it opens up. There we go. Yeah, it does. Opens up my website. But what if you're not sure how to do an email signature, or you want to sort of make it a bit beefier? Well, what we can do is we can go into File and then Options again, and then Mail, and then across to Signatures over there. Click on that. And we've got an option here. We can get signature templates. So just click on that. And then there you go. Download email signature gallery template. So click that there. And then click download, and then all we do is we can just open it. We can, once it's downloaded, and it opens in Word, and there's a few little templates. So we can just copy these, or any one of these, and paste it into Signatures, and we can customize it to how we want. So I've just right clicked on that, highlighted it, right clicked on it, go back into Outlook. I'm going to create a new signature. And I'm just going to call that one Test. And let's just click on Test there. So it should be blank. Click in there. Click the right mouse button and then click the first little paste option there. And there we go. It's actually pasted the signature in there. And we can change that to suit our own signature. And then all we've got to do is, again, under New Messages, make sure you select the signature you want to be seen on New Messages, and make sure you select the signature you want to be seen on Reply and Forwards. That's if you do want it to go on Reply and Forwards. If you don't want it to go on Reply and Forwards, then just select none. So there we go. That guide showed you how to create a signature in Outlook to make your emails look more professional and to make it a lot easier to send emails. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, why not stick around? Right here on my YouTube channel, I've got thousands of other videos covering all sorts of subjects. Hopefully whilst you're here, you'll find something to educate you, entertain you, amuse you, and save you some time and money. Also, if you're looking for a VPN, a Fire Stick or Fire Stick accessories, then have a look in the description down below. We've got some great deals for you. Buying through these links really does help this channel. It helps me to dedicate more time to recording videos. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, hit that like button. If you think your friends, your family or your work colleagues might like it, then please don't forget to share this on your social media timelines. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you find out about all my latest videos the second they're released. Hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, then hit all. You can also find me on Twitter at CWTech and my website at cwtech.co.uk. Liking, sharing and subscribing really helps support this channel. Thanks for watching.